Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can undo not interested in videos on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to, here you can see different videos. So let me select a random video, okay, and you need to hold a video, and after that you click on not interested. So before clicking on not interested, you simply need to click on the heart of on the video, and after that you need to click on profile and click on heart, and here you can find a video and you need to hold, and here you can see that there is no option to undo not interested. So how you can do that? You simply need to comment on the video, save the video and share that video with your friends, and if you want you can repost the video so that the algorithm of TikTok knows that you like that video. So this is a process by which you can undo not interested in videos on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.